In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on Hisense TV. So let's get started. So the first step is to identify your Hisense TV OS, okay, the operating system. So first we have the Hisense Android TV right here. Then we have the Hisense Google TV. Then the Hisense Roku TV, and lastly the Hisense Vida operating system, which is like this. Yeah, now unfortunately for the Roku and the Vida, you cannot download Stremio on them directly. However, there are alternatives that you can do to somehow get Stremio on your TV. However, for the Android and Google, you can straight up download it. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be talking about the Android and the Google TV. So how does it work? Well, the first method is to directly install it from the Google Play Store. So you press home, go to apps, open Google Play Store, search Stremio, install, open, login, and you're good to go. Sometimes Stremio doesn't appear, and that's why we have a method 2, which is installing Stremio with an APK. Okay, so for this you first need to have this particular app, which is the downloader app. So just go to your Google Play Store and download this app. It is downloader. Okay, then you'll have to enable a setting on your TV. So for that, you'll have to go to your TV settings, apps, special app access, install unknown apps, and then enable it for the downloader app. Okay, and this is make sure your TV settings. Then you'll have to download Stremio, which is when you have to open the downloader app, and this is how it looks like. Okay, now here you can see that you have a URL box. So here you're going to copy this link, which is stremio.com/downloads. So just copy and paste it right there. Okay, and once you click enter, then you'll have to select the Android TV version. Okay, and just go ahead and install Stremio, and then you're good to go. There's also a method 3, which is via USB. So for this, you'll have to download the Stremio Android TV APK to USB, then plug the USB into your Hisense TV, then open the TV's file manager and install it. Now, as far as these two TVs are concerned, now we're going to see on how you can work around and get Stremio on them. Okay, so option A is to cast from your phone. Okay, so you have to open Stremio, then play something, and then click on cast or DLNA, and then select your Hisense TV, and hopefully Stremio pops up on your TV. Option 2 is to use a streaming device. Okay, because those streaming devices support Stremio. So we have the Amazon Fire Stick, for example. This is the best one. Then we have Chromecast with Google TV. Then we also have the NVIDIA Shield, and lastly we have the Android TV box. So you can go ahead and pick any of the streaming devices and download Stremio normally. Yeah, so that is basically it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.